So you've been tasked with getting your team to start implementing simple video. Whether you were in on this decision from the very beginning or it was just handed to you, video is an incredible opportunity for your team to start rehumanizing the way they connect with prospects and customers. Yes, video is going to help your team build know, like, and trust faster. It's going to help them communicate more effectively. It's going to help them get more email opens and more email replies. But only if you can help them get over the new technology adoption hump, which you and I both know can be a challenge. But video isn't just a tool. Video is a skill. So here are my 5 tips to help your team start implementing simple video into their day-to-day. Number 1, make sure they understand the why. Humans have been communicating face-to-face for as long as we've been communicating. In fact, it's how we communicate most naturally. If you've ever sent or received an email or text message that was misunderstood because tonality was lacking, you understand why this matters. So getting your team to understand how this is going to change their communication is going to be a massive benefit in getting them to adopt this kind of simple video. Ask them questions like, are you better face-to-face or are you better in a plain text email? Getting them to buy into the why is going to help them start doing this more frequently, which is going to help them see successes faster. Number 2, tech fatigue is real, which is why BombBomb works where you work. Ensuring that your team has BombBomb set up in their email, in their CRM, or the other parts of their daily workflow is going to ensure that when it's time to record a video, all they have to do is press that record button and then they just start talking instead of typing. Number 3, pre-recorded videos is a great way to ease your team into this new workflow of using simple video for communication. Being uncomfortable on camera or not knowing what to say is one of the most common hurdles that new video users have to overcome. So you can help them overcome this hurdle by identifying a few of the most common use cases where they should be implementing video. Bullet point some scripts, make it a team effort, have everyone record those handful of videos so they can start sending those out right away when the situation arrives. The best part, once your team starts to see results and positive responses from those pre-recorded videos, they're going to be way more motivated to start recording their own personal videos on the fly. Number 4, start with a small group, maybe your top people or maybe your most adventurous group. Come alongside this smaller group and make sure that they have the resources and the training to be really successful with video right out of the gate. This early cohort of users will not only become your influencers, but it'll help you identify use cases, successes, or maybe problems that are going to give you a much smoother rollout when you take it to the broader organization. Number 5, to keep your team motivated, I would recommend having a quick weekly scrum on video. This way you can celebrate wins, talk through use cases, and quickly identify what's working and not working with video. Accountability is such an important part of change, and these weekly scrums will make sure that any of your slower to adopt team members don't get left behind. Your customer success manager is a valuable resource in getting your team to adopt this new tool and skill. So let us know how we can help you and your team be successful with video.